That is insane.
That's crazy.
That's one of the most exciting unveilings in recent history. Meta has just introduced something revolutionary, its first fully functional AR glasses. That's right, the Meta Orion AR glasses are finally here. And let me tell you, this is a product that is set to change everything. Imagine being able to wear the future on your face. In today's video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about Orion Meta's first AR glasses and some new, mind-blowing features for the Meta AI chatbot. You won't want to miss this, so hit that like button and let's jump right in. So, Meta kicks things off by unveiling Orion, their first ever fully functioning prototype of AR glasses. And guess what, they're calling it the most advanced glasses the world has ever seen, and they're not kidding. These aren't just a futuristic vision. Orion is the real deal, something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but very much part of our reality now. Imagine a world where your glasses are a time machine, where you can seamlessly interact with holograms in the real world without needing to pull out a phone or a laptop. And let me just say, Mark Zuckerberg and his team have spent over a decade perfecting these. They handpicked the best engineers in the world to build something that defies expectation. Think about the challenges: no wires, under 100 grams, wide field of view, and holographic displays clear enough to see in any lighting condition. This is not just a product, it's the beginning of a new era. Alright, now let's talk about the features. These glasses are packed with so much technology, it's mind-blowing. The holographic displays are sharp enough to pick up even the smallest details. Whether you're in a coffee shop, on a plane, or anywhere, you will be able to see a cinema screen, multiple monitors, or a custom interface. And you don't need to pull out your phone for notifications. A small hologram will appear in front of you, and with just a few gestures, you can reply without being pulled away from your surroundings. What's even crazier, you can be sitting in your living room, and someone from halfway around the world can teleport into your space as a hologram. Imagine playing a game of cards or chess with someone across the globe, and it feels like they're sitting right next to you. Orion is bringing virtual experiences to life like never before. These aren't just regular AR glasses, this is the start of something revolutionary. Let's take a closer look at the technology inside Orion. Unlike any other display you've ever seen, Orion doesn't use a traditional screen. Instead, it employs tiny projectors built into the arms of the glasses. These projectors shoot light into waveguides, which have nanoscale 3D structures etched into the lenses. What does this mean? It means holograms can appear at different depths and sizes right in front of you. And the magic doesn't stop there. Meta has developed custom silicon chips and sensors to drive all of this advanced technology, making sure the experience is seamless and responsive. All of this tech is packed into the arms of the glasses and powered by a small, lightweight battery. It's compact, it's sleek, and it's an absolute engineering marvel. Let's talk multitasking. The Orion AR glasses take this to a whole new level. Whether it's replying to messages, playing games, or even juggling multiple tasks, these glasses handle it all effortlessly. One of the standout features is their head tracking. No more awkward delays or stuttering when you turn your head, everything follows your movements in real time. The brightness, the color contrast, and the field of view are all optimized to give you an experience unlike anything else. Now, the fun part: 3D avatars. You can actually wink to interact with them. That's right, gesture-based controls have never been this fun or intuitive. You can bring up games like holographic ping pong, chess, or whatever you want, and play them with your friends no matter where they are in the world. This is immersive technology at its finest. And with these glasses, you really do feel like a superhero, interacting with a new dimension of reality. But it doesn't stop there. Meta is pushing boundaries not only with Orion but also with their AI chatbot. Now, Meta AI can do something truly game-changing. It can understand both images and text. This opens up a whole world of creative possibilities, like Imagine Edit. Picture this: you upload a photo, and with just a simple natural language command, you can edit it. Want to add a dragon to the sky or change the color of your shirt? Just say the word. This has huge potential for content creators, artists, and even families just having fun. One of the coolest examples is when Mark Zuckerberg's daughter used Meta AI to illustrate a book she wrote. Imagine the endless possibilities when AI can work with your images in this way. So, what does all this mean for the future? Meta's Orion AR glasses and the Meta AI chatbot are set to completely transform how we interact with technology, with each other, and with the world around us. The line between physical and digital is blurring, and this is just the beginning. With AR holograms, multitasking capabilities, AI-driven creativity, and seamless user experience, Meta is pushing the boundaries of what is possible. If you're excited about the future of augmented reality and can't wait to see what comes next, make sure to subscribe to this channel. There is so much more on the horizon, and you won't want to miss any of it. Let me know in the comments, what would you use Orion for? Would you play holographic games, teleport friends into your living room, or create stunning AI-enhanced art? The future is here, and it's exciting. That's it for today's deep dive into the Meta Orion AR glasses and Meta AI's new features. I hope you're as excited as I am about what is coming next. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and ring the bell to stay notified about all things AR, AI, and tech. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay futuristic.